What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to take off my broken front splitter and put on a new one. Unfortunately, if your C7 Z06 is lowered, the probability is high that you are eventually going to break your front splitter. Thankfully, this is a composite and not a $4,500 carbon fiber piece. So let's put the car up onto the race ramps and give us a little bit more clearance so we can get the front splitter off. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these 7mm. Okay, so after some blood, sweat, and tears, we used a T25 to get off the Torx screws, and we also used a drill to get off the rivets. Rivets are from Satan, and we don't like Satan and we don't like rivets, but the only way to do it is to drill them out. So the front splitter is off. It's time to throw that piece of junk behind me in the trash, and we will wait for the new one to arrive. We're going to install a brand new carbon fiber stage 2 front splitter from Extreme Online Store. Alright, so it comes with new screws. These are going to be the sides. Very nice. Instructions. 3M tape. Some soap and a brush or whatever you need to do, and clean the underside. Make sure that surface is nice and ready for the installation of the new one. For anybody wondering, if you can hear the cicadas, it's about 103 degrees here in Texas, so I'm washing the car a little bit in the garage soon. Going ahead and clean off the front splitter. Top surface is clean. That's where we're going to put the tape. So taking our 3M tape, fitting it in between where the holes are going to be. Just like we did on the other side. So now that I've got it lined up on both sides, I'm going to take off this 3M tape. Very important to line up these Torx screws. Okay, we're going to put the Torx screw right through here. gonna use 2, that way I just know it's gonna stick on. Flat side on the outside. There we go. Even it up on both sides. Ooh, that looks good. Wanted to show you guys the final product. The carbon fiber front splitter by Extreme Online Store looks phenomenal. The install was a bit more difficult than I expected, but I manned up and I did it myself. Car looks great. Car still has that aggressive look. For anybody curious, the ground clearance is 4 inches. The car is lowered all the way on stock bolts, and the air dams are 2 inches of ground clearance. So my recommendation is to probably, on those Torx screws on the outside, probably loosen those a little bit so the air dams aren't so strong. That way they have some flexibility whenever you go over some uneven pavement or you're going into a driveway or an entryway. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.